വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു അവർ ക്ലാസ്. എന്തായാലും PSC എക്സാംസ് എല്ലാം ഉടനെ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നമുക്കിനി ഇങ്ങനെ ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ടിരുന്ന് പഠിക്കാനുള്ള സമയമൊന്നുമില്ല. അപ്പം നമുക്കൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം, ഇതുവരെ ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസുകളെല്ലാം ഒന്ന് റിവൈൻഡ് ചെയ്യാം. PSCയിൽ എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ആൻസേഴ്സും. അതായത് എപ്പോഴും എക്സാമിന് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസാണ് ചോദിക്കാറ്. പുതിയ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കണ്ടെത്തി അവർ ചോദിക്കാറില്ല. ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ അതേ ഒരു മോഡലിൽ ചോദിക്കാറില്ല, തിരിച്ചും മറിച്ചു വിട്ടാണ് സാധാരണ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് റിപ്പീറ്റായിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ആൻസറും നമുക്കിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ അക്യൂട്ട് ഇൻഫീരിയർ വാൾ മയോകാർഡിയൽ ഇൻഫാക്ഷൻ ബെസ്റ്റ് മൊഡാലിറ്റി ഓഫ് ട്രീറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് ഈസ്. In acute inferior wall myocardial infarction, best modality of treatment is. Options are IV fluids, digoxin, diuretics, vasodilators. Answer is IV fluids. In which of the following myocardial infarction patient is at risk of pulmonary edema? In which of the following myocardial infarction patient is at risk of pulmonary edema? Options: anterior wall MI, inferior wall MI, right ventricular MI, posterior wall MI. Answer is anterior wall MI. Egg in cup appearance on the chest X-ray is seen in dash. Egg in cup appearance on the chest X-ray is seen in dash. Options: tetralogy of Fallot, mitral regurgitation, constructive pericarditis, transposition of great vessels. Answer is transposition of great vessels. Figure of 8-like appearance of cardiac shadow on chest X-ray seen in. Figure of 8-like appearance of cardiac shadow on chest X-ray seen in. Options: total anomalous pulmonary venous connection, transposition of great vessels, partial anomalous pulmonary venous connection. Fourth one, tetralogy of Fallot. Answer is total anomalous pulmonary venous connection. Endocarditis is most commonly seen in. Endocarditis is most commonly seen in. Options: mitral stenosis, mitral regurgitation, mitral valve prolapse, tricuspid stenosis. Answer is mitral regurgitation. Infective endocarditis is most commonly seen in. Infective endocarditis is most commonly seen in. Options: atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, patent ductus arteriosus, pulmonary stenosis. Answer is ventricular septal defect. Most common heart valve involved in IV drug user is. Most common heart valve involved in IV drug user is. Options: mitral valve, aortic valve, pulmonic valve, tricuspid valve. Answer is tricuspid valve. Digitalis given to atrial flutter produces. Options: atrial fibrillation, atrial tachycardia, atrial systole, atrial bigeminy. Digitalis given to atrial flutter produces. Answer is atrial fibrillation. Drugs contraindicated in congestive cardiac failure. Drugs contraindicated in congestive cardiac failure. Options: propranolol, spironolactone, Lasix, dopamine. Answer is propranolol. Drug of choice in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is. Drug of choice in hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is. Options: propranolol, verapamil, digoxin, amiodarone. Answer is propranolol. First heart sound indicates the onset of. First heart sound indicates the onset of. Options: atrial systole, ventricular systole, atrial diastole, ventricular diastole. Answer is ventricular systole. Third heart sound is seen in all except. Third heart sound is seen in all except. Options: athletes, mitral stenosis, left ventricular failure, constructive pericarditis. Answer is constructive pericarditis. Single second heart sound, that is S2, is a feature of. Single second heart sound is a feature of. Options: ventricular fibrillation, ST anomaly, tetralogy of Fallot, transposition of great vessels. Answer is transposition of great vessels. Asynchronous cardioversion is given in. Asynchronous cardioversion is given in. Options: atrial fibrillation, ventricular fibrillation, atrial flutter, ventricular tachycardia. Answer is ventricular fibrillation. All of the following may precipitate digitalis toxicity except. All of the following may precipitate digitalis toxicity except. Options: hypocalcemia, hypokalemia, hypomagnesemia, hypothyroidism. Answer is hypocalcemia. Angina pectoris and syncope are most likely to be associated with. Angina pectoris and syncope are most likely to be associated with. Options: mitral stenosis, mitral regurgitation, aortic stenosis, tricuspid stenosis. Answer is aortic stenosis. Which of the following is the most common cause for restrictive cardiomyopathy? Which of the following is the most common cause for restrictive cardiomyopathy? Options: alcohol, amyloidosis, sarcoidosis, then hemochromatosis. Answer is amyloidosis. A patient had an inferior wall myocardial infarction and was in shock. The reason for the patient being in shock is. A patient had an inferior wall myocardial infarction and was in shock. The reason for the patient being in shock is. Options: mitral regurgitation, septal defect, right ventricular infarction, decreased ejection fraction from left ventricle. Answer is right ventricular infarction. Which of the following hypertensive acts directly on blood vessels? Which of the following hypertensive act directly on blood vessels? Options: captopril, propranolol, alpha methyl dopa, hydralazine. Answer is hydralazine. Therapeutic agent used to treat malignant hypertension. Therapeutic agent used to treat malignant hypertension. Options: hydralazine, captopril, propranolol, nitroprusside. Answer is nitroprusside. Drugs contraindicated in type 1 diabetic mellitus. Drugs contraindicated in type 1 diabetic mellitus. Options: methyl dopa, propranolol, captopril, clonidine. Answer is propranolol. Which antihypertensive is contraindicated in pregnancy? Which antihypertensive is contraindicated in pregnancy? Options: methyl dopa, beta blockers, alpha and beta blockers, ACE inhibitors. Answer is ACE inhibitors. Fourth heart sound is seen in. Fourth heart sound is seen in. Options: congestive heart failure, atrial regurgitation, athletes, hypertension. Answer is hypertension. Metformin should be withheld prior to cardiac catheterization because of the risk of. Metformin should be withheld prior to cardiac catheterization because of risk of. Options: hypertension, hypotension, lactic acidosis, allergic reaction. Answer is lactic acidosis. First indicator of graft occlusion after revascularization. First indicator of graft occlusion after revascularization. Options: sharp increase in pain, hypotension, bradycardia, bradypnea. Answer is sharp increase in pain. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.